Wow, it has grown into it. This is the Jeep Cherokee that we got for free. Hey, doggy. Hey there, doggy. What you doing? Look at that. That's crazy. It's been here a little bit. Oh, well, we got it all loaded up.
That's amazing how that tree did that so slow.
Oh, it's unhappy, but it's there. Come on, baby. Oh, well, it ran for 2 seconds. Now it's dead. Alright, so it's out of gas. So we tried cranking it. Lots of wood. Bent fender from the tree, but other than that, the body's pretty straight, and honestly, the interior is pretty good. Oh, it's got a key in it, but it doesn't have a key for the glove compartment, so we're gonna see if we can find that. How does this open up? Ah, like that. So, there's a pin. Alright, maybe there's something in the glove box. Oh, maybe there's something somewhere, anywhere. Look at this thing, though. Looks nice. I'm kind of digging it. It's full of everything, but I'm digging it. Well, we're going to hit it with ether because we don't have fuel, so. Here we go. Oh, baby. And she runs. Just needs fuel. All right. It sounded good, yeah. It sounded smooth.
It did.
Man, look at the top of this thing. Well, I don't know if you can see in there. Hold on. Yeah. Hold this. All right, let's hold that with my hand. Ooh. Double hand this, baby. Pull that guy right there. I think you can see we got some serious rust. It is so bad. Holy crap. Alright, well, there's the problem. It's all gunked up. So, tank drop, tank clean, possibly, actually, definitely another fuel pump. Alright, just semi put a fuel pump in the Jeep because it ended up being the wrong one, and that really sucks. However, we're going to see if it actually will run now that it hopefully gets fuel. Because I just have it sitting in there. It ended up being too long for the tank that's in this. Said it was okay. Come on, baby. Oh man, that's slow. My jump pack's dead from trying to crank the other truck. Come on, get the fuel. Get the fuel, get the fuel, get the fuel. Crank, baby! I might have to put the battery charger on it. Yeah, it's dying. Gonna have to stretch out a... Look at that. She just don't like to idle, but she runs good. High output 4-liter, baby. 15 years. Was she idle now? Ooh, just had to get some of that crap out of the injectors. Yo, probably gonna start a fire soon because of all the rat's nest. It's running, boy. I gotta get this off the trailer. We gotta get this off the trailer. Come on, boy. It's running. Yo, that is sick. Oh man. Oh, my leg. Can't get it. There we go. Oh, I gotta do. Gonna go on down. There we go. Now we're moving. Sorry, tires. You don't deserve this. Alright. Can't run it too long. Alright, so it runs. It has reverse at least. Tires are flat. It's running. My thing's getting bad, so I can't tell if it has alternator. Gotta air these tires up. Figure out a fix for this hose that just got chopped. and then put some water in it so it can keep itself cool, and it runs and drives. Or, well, it runs. I don't know if it drives. Look at that, guys. It's running. Heck yeah! Fuel pump. Alright, so I'm adding water in right now. It's not ideal, but it works, kind of, until I get a new one. So, I'm gonna go turn the heat on as soon as this tops off. Hopefully, it'll be cool running. Hopefully. Alright, that's bubbling up a lot. Let's go turn this heat on, however this works. Let's see. Temperature heat, vent heat high? I don't feel anything. Vent. We got nothing. No high or low or anything. Alright, well, radio? AM, FM, power? Bass. Power. Oh, whoa. Power? Power. FM? Maybe not. Oh well. Well, it's running, and it runs pretty good, surprisingly. About to pressure wash this bad boy. I'm so excited. Look at it. Can't wait to see what this looks like. It's going to be awesome. Hey guys, it's Jaeger's Garage, and I just had to film this because this is getting pressure washed and it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna take some pictures of it. Well, here it is, all cleaned up. She looks really good. Wow, look at that. It's so much better. The hood could still use some work. Now to clean the inside. Alright, well, I'm having some issues with the fuel pump. And I've crawled under there and reset the position many times, and it still won't work unless it's just kind of hanging out of the fuel tank. It's really strange, but I think if I bend it the right way, then it has a little slot that it slides straight down in, because the fuel's reading and everything, but it's half out of the tank, so obviously can't have that, not when you're doing 60 and come to a complete stop and all the fuel sloshes onto your exhaust and then you catch on fire and die. So we're gonna fix that, but it looks really good now. Sweet. Stay tuned. Well, she went through the ditch. Four-wheel drive works. I don't know. I'm just gonna start going through some things and figuring it out. Well, a little bit of overspray. Or horizontal. All right, well, just ran it around the yard and it seems like it's doing okay. Other than my little makeshift hose popped off because it's incredibly too short. So we're going to let it rest for now and investigate and probably clean it out some because it's a little full of wood. Okay, small fire aside from the rat's nest that is apparently baked into the exhaust. That's fine, and it cranks up and everything's fine, superficial. I cleaned out the front and we have rear seats and I cleaned out the back. Look at that. Now we got to shop vac and we got to shop vac it all out. Hopefully we'll have it done pretty soon. Heck yeah. Well, we're vacuumed and the Jeep is looking great. I mean, it's honestly great. Look at that. I even cleared out the back. I got the seats back up. They're all good to go. The headliner could use some help. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what that is right there, but I'm gonna ask Dad about that. See, I know he's got some aftermarket stuff installed in this because my dad used to own this. But yeah, so that's great. Heck yeah, it's a good day's work. This is Jaeger's garage, the free Cherokee. Oh yeah. Check this out. So originally, I cut this on, radio works and everything. I'm turning it up and down, I'm getting no audio, and I'm like, man, that's so weird. Normally the stock radios are fine, and like, I don't get it. And then I think, this doesn't have rear speakers. They're only in the doors, and neither door has a speaker in it. So I believe that's the problem. But other than that, lights work, blinkers work, everything electronic works. The blower does not. So the blower, door speakers, everything else works. Four-wheel drive works, as you saw in the video before. Drive, park, I gotta fill it up with some Freon, and I think that'll work too. Good to go. I mean, it's sat for 15 years, just little minor things, and they probably were things before it got parked. I mean, this is amazing. Wow.